Cucumber lemon water. It's the latest trend that everyone's talking about. But does it really detoxify your body and boost your immunity? Or is it just another health fad? Let's dive into the science behind this refreshing drink and find out if it lives up to the hype. In today's world, we're always looking for simple ways to stay healthy and feel great. Detox drinks like cucumber lemon water promise to flush out toxins, improve digestion, and give your immune system a powerful boost. But are these claims backed by science or just clever marketing? Let's take a closer look at what cucumber and lemon really bring to the table. First, let's talk about cucumbers. They're over 95% water, making them incredibly hydrating. But hydration isn't their only benefit. Cucumbers are packed with antioxidants like beta-carotene and flavonoids, which help fight off free radicals in your body. This means cucumbers do more than just refresh. They help protect your cells from damage and keep your skin glowing. Cucumbers are also rich in silica, a mineral that supports skin health and keeps your connective tissues strong. Plus, they contain vitamins K and C, which are essential for blood clotting and immune function. So, adding cucumber to your water isn't just about taste. It's a way to give your body a gentle boost of these essential nutrients. Now, let's talk about lemons. These citrus powerhouses are famous for their high vitamin C content, which is crucial for a strong immune system. Just one lemon can provide up to 50% of your daily vitamin C needs. But that's not all. Lemons are also rich in antioxidants like flavonoids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Lemons also play a key role in aiding digestion. The citric acid in lemons can help stimulate digestive juices, making it easier for your body to break down food and absorb nutrients. Plus, lemon's natural acidity can help balance your body's pH levels, promoting overall wellness. Well, here's the truth. While there's no magic drink that will cleanse your body overnight, cucumber lemon water can support your body's natural detox processes. The high water content keeps you hydrated, which is essential for flushing out toxins. Meanwhile, the antioxidants in both cucumber and lemon help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce inflammation. Voiceover. And let's not forget, staying hydrated is one of the simplest and most effective ways to support your immune system. By drinking cucumber lemon water, you're not only staying hydrated, but also adding a burst of vitamins and antioxidants that can help keep your immune system strong. Cucumber lemon water is also great for your skin. The antioxidants and hydration work together to keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. Plus, the added vitamin C from lemons can boost collagen production, helping to maintain your skin's elasticity and reduce wrinkles. Want to take your cucumber lemon water to the next level? Try adding a few extra ingredients like mint, ginger, or berries for an added flavor boost and even more health benefits. Mint aids in digestion, ginger fights inflammation, and berries add an extra dose of antioxidants. So, should you make cucumber lemon water a part of your daily routine? It's a simple, tasty, and refreshing way to stay hydrated, boost your vitamin intake, and support your immune system. It's a delicious and healthful habit that can make a real difference in how you feel. So why not start your day with a glass and enjoy the benefits? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and natural remedies.